Have you noticed how with everything going on, wars, tsunamis, and so much uncertainty, it's easy to feel lost or overwhelmed? Like if the words feels heavier every day. So this workshop is about finding safety inside yourself, even when everything around feels chaotic. It's about really tuning into your body because right now, more than ever, our bodies needs to be heard and cared of. Think of it like the hug you've been missing for, or the real conversation you've been craving. We will make space for all the feelings, frustration, sadness, and even anxiety, and remind you that it's okay to feel this way. You're not alone and you're not crazy. Together we will reconnect with the simple joy of being part of something real and find comfort in what our bodies are telling us. If you want to feel calmer, more connected, and more present, come join us. This is your space to breathe, feel, and reconnect. Hope to see you there.